Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna do the first problem from yesterday's contest. Probably I didn't do the most elegant and easy solution, but I wanna show you guys what I did under pressure. And I think I was pretty happy. It passed in the first trial. It's not a hard problem by any means, but I was happy to get at least one problem right. So for it shows I'm making some improvement. So binary number with alternating bits. Given a positive integer, check whether it has alternating bits, namely if two adjacent bits will always have different values. So 5, for example, is alternating. You have 1, 0, 1. And 7 is 1, 1, 1, so it's not alternating. 4 is alternating, 11 is not alternating. So yeah, guys, uh so what I did is I'm gonna talk about my general idea was to get the integer number, make it a binary number, then I use a mask. A mask is like a bit that you use to grab a bit from another number. And alternating, I use a counter. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I think it's gonna be better. So I use a count variable to tell me if it's even or odd count of in the iteration. So first iteration is 0, which is even, next is 1, which is odd, the next is 2, which is even, and so on and so forth. And if it was even, I would expect a 1, so that's why I have an expected variable. If it was odd, I would expect a 0. And I use a mask to grab the bit I'm looking for. Actually, I don't think... actually, I don't use this mask. Yeah, I don't use it. Yeah, so just ignore this variable. And I use bits, so I use this library Python function called bin, and it returns me the binary number as a string, but it will return me something like this, like 1b 0 1 0. And I don't want this 1b, so I just I'll grab the values from the second index forward. That's what I do here. And then I iterate over the bits. Oh, actually I use the mask. So let's go back and get the mask. So I iterate over the number as a binary number. I remember to get to make it an int, which is important. And then I'll see if it's a 0. No, if it's even iteration. If it is, I see if it's as expected. If it's not, I return false, and then I not the expected value, because the next iteration I'm waiting for a 0. Else, if it's odd, I also check if it's expected. If not, false, and I not the expected. And if I don't return false inside here, I return true, which means it's alternating. So if I submit, I should get the right answer. And that's a cool bitwise problem. Definitely there is a more efficient solution. It was doing it under pressure, didn't have time. For these problems, you just want to do as fast as you can. So oftentimes you don't do the most interesting solution, but I think it's kind of clear, and I was pretty happy I got it working. So thanks guys for tuning in. Give your thumbs up if you like the problem. Subscribe and join the Facebook group if you're interested in discussing the problems further. So see you guys.